So, in this question, we are asked to expand the what x minus 7 raised to power 9 using binomial theorem. Okay, how are you going to do this type of question? Okay, so whenever you are asked to find the expansion of any expression, like I'm going to give you the trick on how to expand the bracket. Okay, so let's now go with the first one. That is, we have x minus 7 raised to power 9. How are you going to do it? Okay, you are going to say that this first variable, which is x raised to power x raised to power 9, okay, that's the first one, plus, now what's the coefficient of x in this first one is 1, right? So it means you are going to be following the steps out as I'm doing it. Okay, 9 multiplied by the coefficient is what? 1, is 9 rather, sorry, is 9. And this one is the first term, that is the first term of the expansion, and it means divided by 1 we give you the coefficient of the second one. Let me repeat it. The power multiplied by the coefficient of the term of the first term, which is 9. 9 times 1 is 9, divided by which position is x raised to power 9 is, that's the first term of the expansion, divided by 1, which means 9 times 1, 9, divided by 1, that's 9. Hope you get what I'm saying. Okay, 9. What do you have to note? What you have to note is that the first one, which is x raised to power 9, will be decreasing. The power will be decreasing. Why? For the minus 7, the power will be increasing. Because here our 7 minus 7 is raised to power is 0, and any number raised to power 0 is 1. Okay, so do you remember how I solved this one? 9 multiplied by 1 divided by 1. Okay, plus, since we get 9, you put that 9, you still write this x, it will reduce to the power of 8, and your minus 7 will be raised to power 1, since it will, because it is 0 here, and I don't need to write it because any number raised to power is 0 is 1. Okay, plus, now you are using the power of x, not the power of minus 7. Do you understand? Okay, you now have to say that 8 multiplied by the coefficient of x now, which is 9. It means 8 multiplied by 9, and that will give you 72. So you don't write that 72, because there still remain one step that you will have to follow. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 9 is 72, divided by what position is this term? Is this second term of the expansion? That means 72 divided by 2, and that will give you 36. So you just have to put 36 as the coefficient of the third term. X will be reducing, and minus 7 will be increasing. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, plus, now you still use the power of this one, which is 7. That is 7 multiplied by 36, and that will give you 7 multiplied by 36 will give you 252. Okay, but you don't put that 252 as the coefficient of the fourth term. Okay, because there is still one step to follow, and if you can't, 1, 2, 3, this one is the third term. It means you have to divide that 252, because 7 multiplied by 36 will give you 252. You have to divide it by 3. Do you get what I'm saying? Divide it by 3. Okay, 252 divided by 3, that one will give you 84. So you just have to put 84 x raised to power 6 minus 7 raised to power 3. Okay, remember, the power of x will be reducing as you go down the expansion, while the power of minus 7, which is the second term, will be increasing. Okay, now what do you have to do to get the next term? You can pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay, so 84 multiplied by 6. 84 multiplied by 6, you have to multiply them together, and that one will give you 504. Okay, 84 multiplied by 6, that one will give you 504. Okay, I will not have to put 504 first, because there is still one more step. Okay, 504, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the fourth term. It means you have to divide 504 divided by 4. Okay, and that one will give you 126. x raised to power what? 5 minus 7 raised to power what? 4. Remember, the power of minus 7 will be what? Increasing, and the power of x will be reducing. Don't forget to be dividing by each term. Don't forget to be dividing, okay? Plus, here now, I can say that 126 multiplied by what? 5 multiplied by 5, and that one will give you what? 630. Do you understand? It will give you 630. Okay, so what do you have to do? It means 126 multiplied by what? 5. 126 multiplied by 5, and that one will give you 630. So you won't write 630, okay? So 630 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5, that one will give you the coefficient of the next term, and that one is 126 s raised to power 4 minus 7 raised to power 5. How will you know that you are correct? There will be, when you are expanding the bracket, there will be some point where the coefficient of the what? Of one term will be repeating themselves. Like now, 126. Yeah, now. So you're still going to get 84, 36, and go down back here again. Okay, let's now try the other one. Plus 126 multiplied by 4. That one will give you what? 504. Okay, you won't put 504 as the coefficient. 504 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6, and that one will give you 84. You see, 84. 84 x raised to power what? 3 minus 7 raised to power what? 6 plus, now 84 multiplied by 3, it will give you what? 252. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 252 divided by what? 7. Okay, that one will give us what? 36. 36x squared minus 7 raised to power 7 plus, okay, 2 multiplied by 36, that one will give you what? 72. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 72 divided by 8, and that one will give you 9. X minus 7 raised to power 8, and the last term, because it will be raised to power 9, will be minus 7 raised to power 9. And you can still try that. 1 multiplied by 9, that one is what? 9. Abi 9 divided by 9, because this one is 9th term. 9 divided by 9, that one will give you what? 1. X will reduce to the power of 0, and x raised to power 0 is 1. So you can put 1 here. You understand? So you don't need to put, it's just what? Minus 7 over 9. Let's now count the term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means that for, how do you know that the number of term in an expansion? Since this one is raised to power 9, it will be 9 plus 1 term. It will contain how many what terms? 9 term, 10 terms rather. Okay, so that's how to expand it. If even of this one of such, let's say 2x minus 7y raised to power 5, you can try this one and drop your answer in the comment section. Okay, now let's now move to the second one, b, that is 2x cubed. Okay, 2x cubed minus 1 over 3x squared raised to power what? 5. We are asked to find the what? Middle term, but there is a formula that we used to follow whenever we are asked to find any term of the coefficient of terms. Okay, and that one is t of r plus 1 is equal to what? N combination r. I will explain each what parameters. N combination r, a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power what? R. Okay, our n is the what? Power of the expression. Okay, our n is the power of the what? Like this one now, our n is 5, and your r is the term you are looking for. Like, let's say the second term, the third term. Okay, so, and your a in this type of expression will be 2x cubed, and your b will be minus 1 over 3x squared. Minus 1 over 3x squared. What do I mean by r plus 1? It means that for this term, it is going to contain, let's say you are looking for the what, third term. That's 3 term, the third term. And but the mistake some people used to make is that they will now say r is equal to 3. No, r will be what, t into what, 2 plus 1, because this one will be added to your r to give you that third term. Okay, so your r will be 2. Do you understand what I'm saying? So okay, now let's now solve this type of question. They asked us to find the what, middle term. And you should know that for you to know the middle term in this type of question, since it is raised to power 5, I said something earlier that the power plus 1 will give you the number of terms in the expression. Okay, so for this one now, it will be what, number of terms will be what, 5 plus 1 term, and that one will give you what, sixth term. Okay, sixth term. Now what are you going to do? Since you are looking for the sixth, you will give, I'm coming, sorry, since what, it is what, 6 terms that you are going to get when you expand this bracket. Okay, so 5 plus 1 will give you, how will you now know the middle expression? Okay, let me do it in form of this way. 4, 5, 6 is it is 6 term. This one, it means the third and the what, fourth term is the what, middle term. The third and the fourth term is the what, middle term in the expression. Okay, since they are the middle term, what are you going to do? It means that your r, c of r, you are going to make, since you are looking for the what, middle terms, like all of the what expression, like let's say 84s cubed, you can simplify this one. It's not yet complete. You can simplify it by yourself if you want to get the question answer. Just say minus 7. You can, this one is easier now. It's just that how to find the expression is the one that I want to talk about. Okay, so this one is tr plus 1 is equal to, okay, now what are you going to do here? N combination r, a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power r. You are looking for the third term. It means your r will be what, 2 plus 1. Your r is 2 is equal to, your n is what, 5. Combination, your r is what, 2. Your a is what, this is your a, 2s cubed. And note that you are going to make use of indices in this type of question. Make sure you know it before attempting to watch the video. Okay, so n minus r will be 5. N is 5, your r is 2. Okay, and b is what, minus 1 over 3x squared raised to power r, and your r is what, 2. Okay, you have to simplify. 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 combination 2, 2s cubed raised to power what, 3. Okay, into minus, okay, minus 1 all square will give us what, 1 over 3 square will give us 9x raised to power what, 4. Okay, now what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We have in our last simplification that c of what, 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 combination 2, 2x raised to power 3 cubed into 1 over 9x raised to power 4. Okay, so t of 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 combination 2. Okay, 5 combination 2 into 2 cube will give us 8, and s raised to power 3 will give us s raised to power 9, right? And we have 1 over 9 x raised to power 4, right? Now 5 combination 2 will give us what? 5 combination 2 will give us 10, and 8 multiplied by 8x raised to power 9, and this one, this term, that is, okay, multiplied by 1 over 9x raised to power 4, so which is equal to what? 10 multiplied by 8x raised to power 9 multiplied by 9x raised to power minus 4. Okay, So here now I can say x raised power 9 minus this one, that is 10 multiplied by 8 times 9 times x raised power what, 5. Okay, I'm coming. So I'm sorry, here is supposed to be minus 1. Is this due to some distraction? So I'm so sorry. 10 times 8 times 9 in fast multiplied by 10 for x raised power what, 5. Okay, now what are we going to do? It means that 10 multiplied by 8 times 1 over 9 x raised to power 5, and that will be what, 80 over 9 x raised to power 5, and that one will give you our what, third term. So this is the what, third term of the what, expansion. If you expand it using the method that I did earlier, you will still get the same thing. But if they are asking you for the coefficient, it means the coefficient is what, 80 over 9. But they are not asking you, they are asking for the what, middle term, and this is the what, third term. You can find your what, the fourth term, and send your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.